Good morning, my dear students. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about nutrients and digestion. Okay, today in this class, we are going to discuss in our daily life. We have to follow some healthy eating habits. So that's today we are going to discuss. These are the some healthy eating habits. Okay, here 7 healthy eating habits are here. So let's look at here. First one, eat 4 to 5 meals daily. Eat 4 to 5 meals daily. In our daily life, we need to eat 4 to 5 meals in a day. So second one, eat a balanced diet. So what do you mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet is in our daily life, we have to eat some food in which we have to uh, provide some nutrients in this food, isn't it? Food must be controlled. Okay, so that is balanced diet, in which all the nutrients contained in the food, and which are also in a controlled level. So that is balanced diet. And third one, eat fruits and vegetables daily. So we have to eat fruits and vegetables in our daily life. And the fourth one is drink plenty of water. We have already discussed that we have to drink 8 to 10 glass of water in daily. So in our healthy eating habits, we need to drink plenty of water. And fifth one, chew your food properly. So in our mouth, we have to chew the food, because when we chew the food, it will mix with saliva and it will helps in digestion. Okay, so we have to chew your food. You have to chew your food properly. Okay, and then sixth one is wash your hand before eating. So everyone should wash your hand before eating. So that is the healthy eating habits. And seventh, do not overeat. So it will become you fatty. So do not overeat. So these are the 7 healthy eating habits we have to follow in our life. First one is eat 4 to 5 meals daily. Eat 4 to 5 meals daily. And second one is eat a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. Okay, we have already discussed about balanced diet, isn't it? Balanced diet. And the third one is eat fruits and vegetables in daily. Fourth one is drink plenty of water. And fifth one is fifth one is chew your food properly. Wash your hands before eating. And the seventh is do not overeat. Okay, students. Okay, the next topic. In our daily life, we eat most of the foods. We eat most of the food after cooking, isn't it? Okay, so and also we eat some food. Can be eaten in raw. So before eating that kind of foods, we must wash that foods properly, isn't it? So in our daily life, most of the food we eat after cooking. So cooking helps to make the food soft and easy to digest. First one, cooking helps us to make the food soft and easy to digest. And also what will do, it kill harmful germs, and also it make the food very tasty. So most of the food we eat after cooking, this cooking helps to, first one is make the food soft and easy to digest, and also it kill harmful germs, and last one is what, it makes the food very tasty. So we have to eat the food we have to eat most of the food after cooking. Okay, now this is a small topic, and now we are moving to the next section, how to preserve foods. Okay, how to preserve. Okay, next topic, food preservation. So foods can be spoiled by insect or germs, isn't it? So we need to preserve the food. the germs are grow in moisture or in warmth. So we need to preserve the food from the insects or germs. So first we keep the foods in airtight containers. That is, this helps to remove or this helps to avoid moisture. So the in airtight containers, germs cannot live there. So the food can be preserved in airtight containers. First one is we need to preserve food in airtight containers. It will help to it prevents germs. Okay, and next, foods can be kept in refrigerator. That means there is low temperature. In low temperature, germs cannot live. So we kept foods in refrigerator. It also helps to preserve food. Okay, and also third one is salt. Third one is salting. In salt solution, also germs cannot live. So we can preserve food in salt solution. Okay, third one is salting, and there is fourth one, boiling. If we boil the food, also in cooking we give more heat to the food. In more heat also germs cannot live, though it will help, boiling will help to preserve the food. So first one is airtight containers, and second one is kept the food in refrigerator, and salting, that means in salt solution germs cannot live, and also in boiling, when we boil the food, germs can't live there. So it will preserve the food. And the next one is dehydration. Dehydration means remove all the water. Remove the water content from the food. If we dehydrate the food, the moisture is removed from there, and also there is no germs can be lived. Germs can be grow. So dehydration is also a process to preserve food. Dehydration is also a process to preserve food. And final one is sugar syrups. Fruits can be preserved in what? Sugar syrups. So these are the main steps to preserve food. They are, first one is airtight. We have to preserve food in airtight containers and kept in refrigerators, and salting, boiling, dehydration, and fruits can be kept in sugar syrups. So by doing this we can preserve the food. Okay. Okay students, so these are the topics we have discussed today. First one is healthy eating habits and cooking food and food preservation. So our chapter is over. Now we are moving to the exercises. Okay. First exercise is write T for true statements and F for false statements. First question. Our body needs very little fat. Our body needs very little fat. So in the nutrients, in the section of nutrients, we discussed about the fat, isn't it? So this statement is true. Our body needs very little fat. The statement is true. And second one, we must drink only 1 to 2 glasses of water every day, isn't it? No. In our daily life, we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. So the statement is false. Okay. And the third one, digestion of food is completed in stomach. No, digestion of food is completed in small intestine. So the answer is, the statement is false. Okay. And fourth one, we should not overeat. That's a true statement. And fifth one, salting is a way of preserving food. Yes, salting is a way of preserving food. In salt solution, germs can live, isn't it? So the statement is true. The first statement is true, second and third is false, and fourth and fifth is true. Okay, and tick the correct answers. Next exercise, tick the correct answer. Rice is rich in. Rice is rich in. There are 4 options: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and calcium. The answer is carbohydrates. Second one, in the mouth the food mixes with. in the mouth, food mixes with saliva. It will help in digestion, isn't it? So the answer is saliva. And third one, the organ which is sac-like. The organ which is sac-like. Third question, the organ which is sac-like is the stomach. The option third, stomach. And fourth question, food from the stomach passes into lungs, small intestine, large intestine, mouth. The answer is option B, small intestine. And the last question, food gets spoiled by. Food gets spoiled by, there are also four options: germs, nutrients, digestive juices, and chewing. That option A is the answer. Answer is germs. Okay students, you have to do this in a textbook by itself. Okay, and there is answer the following question. I will give the answer for those questions. Okay, so now this is all about today. Thank you.